OpenAI has just made something incredible by creating an exceptional AI that changes the way you study. ChatGPT 4.0 is the new revolution. With this AI, you can do exceptional things like learning any math concept, uploading PDFs, uploading images, generating images, learning how to code, and using it as your personal teacher. It also has the amazing feature of browsing and summarizing anything you want over the internet. You've got it. The revolution is on your side. Additionally, they introduced a section where you can directly learn and solve math problems easily. I am a math addict, and in today's video, we are going to be using ChatGPT to solve a full exam paper, maybe GCE, JAMB, GED, or any other exam paper. Keep in mind that GPT can also make errors. The best way is to ask GPT to guide you in solving any math question or exam paper, and not just give you the solution to copy and paste. Let's get started. I will give the flow to my master to explain in detail how to use ChatGPT.
If you already watched this video up to this point, click the break and subscribe to the channel. Okay, this section we are going to be exploring ChatGPT 4 and try to use it without any problem. Let's start with the first thing to do. We are going to type ChatGPT on our web browser. You can use Chrome or you can use your phone, any web browser of your choice. I am going to enter here by pressing the enter, and you're going to search for ChatGPT. And you're going to click on the first link you see. Let it load. Okay, when it's loading, you're going to click on the first link you see that will link you directly to ChatGPT. Okay, since I have already an account, directly head to ChatGPT. That's this one I'm going to directly use. If you don't have an account, you will choose the first link and create a new account by using your email and so on. Let's move to the core of today. I'm going to be exploring ChatGPT and trying using it to solve math question. Okay. Notice ChatGPT make errors and don't really bear much on the answer. You just use it as a guide in solving any question of our choice. Okay, in today's video we are having a question to solve. That is a random question I took online. I'm going to solve it. Okay, let's explore first of all the ChatGPT. We move to explore GPT. Here's our math solver already down here. Okay, to explore ChatGPT, you move on here and you are going to have everything in here. Okay, we use ChatGPT for video, GPT. Okay, AI video maker for math solver, the one you want to specify. Let's explain others. For SQL, this is for the database. For framework finder, help locate and apply framework to your problems. Okay, for image generation, we have it to write anything to you, like those doing history, economics. You can write anything here. We're doing text for YouTubers, like the script for the first part of this video. We asked this GPT, or this text writer, to generate a prompt to the script for our video. We move on to modify and edit it, making it look better and good. Okay, and so we can move on to Scholar. It generate you anything like a project. In Google, like in Google Scholar, you can have anything. You can remove there and search a topic for you, summarize it, and give you what you want. Like when you Google Scholar, searching for a topic. Anything for those who want to write a project or reference a book, anything, you can just use this directly into Google Scholar and it summarizes exactly what you want. Just prompt it well. I'll show you in other video, but not exactly in this one. I just want to focus on the math solver. You can use it in Canva to design any logo. Like most of our logo, we use it. And using Midjourney, you can use this and prompt. You ask Canva to directly design anything for you. You use it for consensus, that is ask AI to directly with the word science literature. Okay, you take a look at the word scientist because this ChatGPT 4 can browse the internet. Okay, you can use it for logo creation and more other. Okay, by ChatGPT you have DAL, you have data analysis, hot modes, creative writing coach. You can use it as color book, hero, Launching and so writing, you have write this all in Infinity Human AI and more. There are a lot of possibilities, a lot of ideas, a lot of things you can do with this AI. Okay, for programmers, I like this part a lot. Code Copilot, Python, we use it for Cremo. We use it for website generation. Like you can just prompt ChatGPT and it will generate you the code or HTML or SQL code for your website and more. Okay, let's move to this our section that we are interested in, our section of interest. Okay, let's just come here. What you're going to do is to browse the paper or the text. Okay, let's browse it here. If we click on this button, we're going to upload the file from our computer. Okay, Here we just regenerate. Okay, happy with this small problem here because it okay, you can also here from here because upload from our computer. You just have to search it here. You will click here. I'm going to search the exact question with the exact paper you want to solve. You want to solve this random paper we got online, that is random mathematics that is saved in my computer. I'll just click here and open it, or I can drag and drop here. I'll click here and open. Then ChatGPT will use Google Lens to open this PDF and strip out the text. Okay, well, you can just strip out the text since it's a PDF. Okay, let's wait that it should load. It's actually loading. Okay, we have an error message. No text will be extracted from this file. The reason is because the file is an image file. Okay, the text and images form. You can use another format that is screen capturing it using the screenshot tool to screen capture the question we want GPT to solve. We already did that. You just go on and upload instead an image, not a PDF, because we screen capture and save it as check it random. That was also random math. I think this one. Okay, you upload the equation, and then here's my math. I'll just from GPT saying here's my math. Help me to solve by drawing amazing guides in solving this. Then GPT is going to solve this digitally. Okay, let's try analyzing and see if what GPT gave us is exactly the answer to the question. Let's just make this on one screen. And the other section, we put the equation. Here's the equation. Okay. Here is the solution part. Let's put it like this. Okay, question 1, we are having a polynomial equation as to solve the space over is equals to 4x plus 3 all over 2x minus 1 and 3x plus 1 in partial fraction. Let's say the 4x plus 3 all over 2x minus 1 and 3x plus 1 is equals to dx. That is the formula of partial fraction. We express it into partial fraction and simplify the denominator. ChatGPT is going to solve everything for you easily. Okay, we move on. After simplifying, we do it and have 4x plus 3 by counting the denominator is equal to a into 3x plus 1 plus b into 2x minus 1. That is the answer. We will move on to solve, that is 4x plus 3 by expanding and combine the like terms. Okay, the term in x and the term without x, then equating it is equals to 4 and a minus b is equals to 3. Exactly. When you solve this question simultaneously, that is a is equal to b plus 3. Okay, using the substitution method, move on to substitute and have b is equal to negative 1, a is equal to 2, then you substitute back here and have this as the expression being in partial fraction. We move to the next question. If the root of the quadratic equation x squared, let's check if it's exactly okay. That's the exact question. We use Google Lens to insert the text on the image. Then for a quadratic equation x squared plus b plus c is equal to 0, the sum of the root alpha plus beta is equal to negative b, and the product alpha beta is equal to c. Okay, the quadratic equation is this. You know that sum of root is equal to negative b all over a. A brief advice: don't use ChatGPT without knowing exactly what you want to get, because you just prompt it to solve this and you don't exactly have basic knowledge about this different topic, you're going to end up being blurred. You're not really going to have the answer, or you have the answer but not really know how it works or how it came from that. Before asking it, try revising and look first of all. Okay, we have this question. Therefore, alpha plus beta is equal to what? This negative b, a plus 1, a is 1. Okay, and alpha beta is c on a, that is k on 1. Okay, exactly. Then we proceed. Therefore, given that alpha is equal to 2 beta, we have already here alpha plus beta. Okay, we substitute this alpha with 2 beta. If we are going to have 3 beta, is equal to what? Negative k plus 1. And b is equal to what? Negative that k plus 1 and 3. And that's the answer, is beta. Therefore, our alpha beta product of root is alpha and beta. There is 2 beta plus beta, because alpha is 2 beta. We are going to have 2 beta square is equal to k, and we can have our beta, we have k from here with beta. Okay, k is equal to 2 beta square, and substitute back here, beta to k, and 2 beta square substitute equal to k, and we're going to find for the value of k. This is because up here they ask us to solve for k, for the value of k is 3. Okay, we solve it and define and moving on. Using the quadratic equation formula, we can find for the value of k being equals to 2 or k being equals to half. That is the exact value of k. Moving on to the next question, there is a polynomial equation f of x is equal to ax cubed minus x squared plus bx plus 6. Given that f of x has a factor x plus 2, it means f of negative 2 is equal to 0. Therefore, f of negative 2 is equal to that, and we solve it. Since f of negative 2 is a factor, f of negative 2 is equal to 0 because coming here, you have the definition, you have x plus 2 is equal to 0, x is equal to minus 2. And you have this as the answer. You simplify and you have a 0. Therefore, and you become out to this as the initial equation. Moving on, given that f minus 1 give a remainder of 10. If f minus 1 give a remainder of 10, f plus 1, x plus 1 give a remainder of 10, then x of negative 1 or f of negative 1 is equal to 10 being the remainder of s. The basic formula. You just have to substitute and have the second equation. We solve the two equations simultaneously. We have a and b being 2 and b being negative 7. So a is equal to this and use that. And you have the final value times value of x for which f of x is equal to 0. We first of all come out with the polynomial for substituting a and b here. Now we have to solve it. It's a third degree polynomial. Since we know already that x plus 2 is a factor, we can divide by x plus 2 using the long division method. That's it here. We have to solve it with that. Find the root, okay, factorize and have the final answer. Okay, that's x plus 2 and the remaining will be this with the remainder of 0. And so for this one, we have x equal to 5 plus 1 and 4. Okay, I'm just going to move further. Therefore, x is equal to 6 on 4, that's 3 on 2. 3 on 2 and x is equal to 1. So, and x also is equal to minus 2 from holding from here. Okay. Let's see that the true value of x is a third degree polynomial. Okay, the third one is to verify this relation. This question you have already a table. ChatGPT already understood this table and came up with this. So you need to verify the relation and plot a graph. But since it should not generate us a graph here, but if you want a graph, you can simply come it down here to generate the graph. For the moment, just do like this, and just keep it. Okay, moving to question 4, there's an arithmetic, there is some arithmetic and geometric progression. We have an arithmetic progression that is AP, where the first, last, and the last term are 7 and 3 respectively. And you're asked to find the sum, and the sum of the first terms are 250. Okay, we are asked to find for n, like the number of terms. We know about that s of n is also n on 2 into n plus n. S of n, a being the first term and l being the last term, s of n being the sum of terms. Okay, you can then know the number of terms using this formula. You have n is equal to 10. Find the number of terms and the common difference. And the common difference of the progression. Number of terms n is equal to 10. Now, the common difference will be what? We know from it n is equal to a plus n minus 1 times z. Okay? That is equal to 43 is equal to 7 plus that. So for finding the last term, you can know it from this formula. Last term is equal to first term plus n minus 1 times z. It's for an arithmetic progression. We proceed having b equals to 4. Therefore, the common difference is 4. Okay, and we're done with this first section. Then I will just move on to something different. That is asking ChatGPT to explain maybe a concept to us. Okay? Like a concept, let us take to explain. You want it to explain the concept like calculus. You just have to prompt it to explain the concept like calculus to us. Explain table calculus in is just copy. Since you are just using ChatGPT for basic question or basic principle, we are not going to really know much about the prompting, but that is not our cup of tea. That is not our point of interest. You just have to drop simple English and ChatGPT is going to understand and give us exactly what we want. Okay, so already generating. That's with calculus, a detailed overview. We just sometimes I even use this AI to make videos like the script. Or you just explain to me. I'll just use it to better explain the concept to you guys in the other videos. Okay, talking about introduction to calculus, talking about differential, integral, talking about limit and continuity. Basic. With this, we can do a lot of things. Okay, it's going to generate let's just wait. Let's limit, properties of limit, how it happened, sum of limit. Okay, sum a plus b, so limit of a plus limit of b, product of limit. Yes. Limit quotient, and it's a quotient g of x over f of x over g of x. You have this. Provide that is equal to 0. Limit at continuity. Is it exists? F of a is defined, and that doesn't exist. Types of discontinuity, removal discontinuity, limit like this, but okay, jumping, okay, the differential calculus for dispensation, the first principle, differentiation, notation, okay, basic principle, basic derivative, the basic principle of a constant 0 of x1 of x2 and that an exponent, you have an exponent of a limit, you have 1 on x, rules of derivative, that is normal rule, the power rule, the sum rule, the product rule, the quotient rule, the chain rule, okay. Application of derivative, there is application of derivative. There is a tangent and normal line, slope, all those stuff, equation, tangent, normal line, perpendicular, tangent line, all those stuff. Optimization problem, finding it. Okay. This GPT have a great capability that is searching everything online. You can just summarize anything you want online and give you the answer. You just have to prompt the more, and you're going to be having your answer. Okay, talking about the motion, okay, the different formulas. Talking about integral calculus, integration, definition, how it looks like about x plus a. Integral calculus, we have this. Okay, moving on to basic integral, we have this rules of integration. Okay, substitution, integration by part, power rule, sum, and so on and so forth. Substitution rule, we have definition, substitution rule, definite integral, a definite integral, represented as this. Okay, let's move on to the end. If you want more, you can ask him to control the lecture. But for the sake of this video, just to show you how to work, you don't end here. In case you want history, like you can ask the history of anything. You can say history of like USA. Okay, and talk about history of USA and just drop it here. And he's going to give you the history because everything is already safe in the database. You have to ask him and he generate it to you. You can also use it as your personal tutor, your personal coach. He's going to be helping you in that. Okay, and talking about history, that is it function 8. Okay, taking a lot of time. History of United States, it's vast and complex, spanning all that, everything. It's for USA. You have to read it, specifying the date, just close here. About economics, you can explain, ask him to explain scarcity. You ask him to explain scarcity. As text writer, you can just copy text and ask him to paraphrase. You can also have the text that you have, you might have misspelled some words. You can ask him to modify the words and give you a better version to optimize the text. Define scarcity, cost of scarcity, limitation, and so on and so forth. You have everything set and done. Okay, there are a lot of things we are going to show you in a next video, not this one, because we are just specifying here in solving math equation. Okay, you can use the math solver. Here's the math solver, and you can ask him to solve any question for us. Solve for x, given that x, you can just say x squared plus 1 is equals to x plus x to the power 4. That is very complicated equation. And just say plus x to the power 6. Something might make error. Just take the answer and go and paste, thinking that is exactly it. As we said in the beginning, GPT can make errors. Don't just be okay. That is something just a funny question. Asking to solve. He's going to solve it for us and drop. the final answer. Solve this question x to the power that we will follow a step-by-step approach, solution by step. Okay, first of all, you see, solving it step by step. See, take a look at the question. You start by here, expanding this, then move this part, opening, moving on, opening it digitally, so you can really follow up and understand. Okay, just get into some Python such with using the initial guesses to have the values, and finally have the approximate values. There is x to the power 4. So the approximate value, can move on to substituting back this equation and have the answer. Actually, ChatGPT is not completely free. You can reach a limit, like now. You reach a limit and you can just use it in 1 hour time, because you are using the free version for the moment. You can move on and get close by getting for a premium version of ChatGPT. For basic uses, you can just use it like this. It's a lot. If you reach the limit of GPT-4, you can move on to GPT-3 without any problem and just use it when it's still open. This one is unlimited resources. Okay, you can go use the limit of 4 and move on to use GPT-3. They just ask him what is YouTube. Okay, and he will give us something. See, okay, is it? It will just promote GPT-3 and give us exactly what we want. Moving to the last section of this video,
Hope you enjoyed this secret recipe. Let's do more first. I use the Pareto principle, 80-20, to focus on the most impactful topics. I ask the AI to create a focused learning plan, covering the 20% of topics that yield 80% of the results. Next, I have the AI create a study schedule, specifying study days and hours, and including revision and testing times. Then, I use the AI to find diverse learning resources, such as videos, books, and exercises, tailored to my learning style. For project ideas, I ask the AI for beginner projects in areas like game development to apply what I've learned. When I encounter difficulties, I use the AI to clarify concepts using simplified explanations, mental models, and visualization exercises.